Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone using so much mobile data. No matter what, anybody can get frustrated when they get an alert message on their iPhone screen while using any app that says you have finished the mobile data quota for the day. Because we may not have a Wi-Fi signal everywhere we go, so everybody knows the importance of mobile data. Many iPhone users notice these days that even though they did not use mobile data so much, but it gets finished very quickly long before the day ends. In this video, we are going to discuss more in detail the fixes that would easily help you with resolving this issue. But first, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button for more upcoming videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is change the data mode option on the iPhone. For this, you need to go to Settings. You need to open mobile data. Then click on mobile data options. Now select the data mode by tapping on it. Tap on the low data mode. Doing so will restrict to use of certain apps that need sufficient data. This is only to limit the mobile data as a measure initially. Proceed with further fixes and you are done. Stop automatic downloads on the App Store. For this, you need to go to Settings. Then you need to go to App Stores option. Turn off the app downloads and app update options under the automatic download section by clicking on the toggle button. Also, you have to disable the automatic download option under the mobile data section. And you are done. And the next step is disable the background app refresh option. Go to Settings app. Tap on the General Settings. Tap on the background app refresh option from the list. Now select the background app refresh option. Make sure you have selected the off option. If not, please click on it. And you are done. And the next step is turn off large apps from iCloud backup. Open the Settings app. Then tap on Apple ID name at the top of Settings page. Click on the iCloud option. Tap on the Show All option to see all the apps using iCloud section. Just go to the list of apps. Disable all the large applications which might be consuming huge mobile data by toggling off its switch. And you are done. And the next step is reset the mobile data statistics. Tap on Settings. Go to the mobile data option. Go to the bottom of the mobile data page and click on the Reset Statistics option. Click on Reset Statistics on the pop-up screen to continue. And you are done. And the next step is turn off the iCloud backup via mobile data. For this, click on Settings icon. Select the profile name at the top. Click on the iCloud option from the Apple ID page. Then you have to select the iCloud backup option by tapping on it. But you need to disable the backup over mobile data option by tapping on the toggle switch. And you are done. I hope this will help you to fix iPhone using so much mobile data. Also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.